same, just gray.
Dark gray. The lines in it. Cut it, you know?
Yeah.
I could fucking cut it.
I see the teeth.
No, that's actually a baby thresher.
That's not a thresher.
Yeah, look at the tail.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he's a baby.
No. The 6 have that tail too full.
Put your finger in your mouth.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, he's
Fuck. Well,
All right, hey, you guys tell us what this is on YouTube, but he got the speckled spots. It's a 6 I'm telling you.
Looks like a thresher to me.
They have the same type of tail, bro, just not as big as the threshers.
The thresher's got that long one.
But they don't have the spots, bro.
Yeah, they do.
Threshers have spots?
Yeah, when they get bigger, they kind of blend in.
Look at those green eyes,
See
though.
that tail? This tail gets like 6 feet in it, though.
Yeah, it gets
And
big.
they'll whip it. Look, if they come out, they'll
Hold
whip
on.
you in it. Hopefully it's a bass.
It's a bass. It's fighting like a bass. Maybe. That's what I'm saying. It looks like a bass.
Might be a bassaholic. We'll take them. Sometimes those little sharks fight like that, those little leopards. The way it hit like that, it looked like leprosy, you know? Bless you. Let's see what we got. Oh, it's a nice bass. Oh.
Ready?
what we got?
A nice keeper?
We're on the board, baby. Yeah.
I told you it was a bass from when he hit it. I can feel him.
You're gonna put him in the tank in front?
Oh, yeah, man, in the fish tank, buddy.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, shit. I let the weight go.
God damn, she's hard now. You can knock me out.
Oh, on video, yeah.
Go bro.
We'll have to replay that video.
Here we go. Hey, just have a loop. Have it loop around. You all right, bro? Let me see it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man. Nice.
Taco.
Here, hold that.
Nice little taco.
Okay. See that?
Is it on?
Yeah.
Leo
Watch your fingers
got
there
a
you go. Nice little
bassaholic.
5-pound fish. All right, I'm throwing him back in the water.
All right. Yeah, catch and release. That's what we do here.
Here.
As you can see, folks, right there is the best place. Let's get this guy some company. Is he on there?
Yeah, I'm watching it too. Can't barely feel him on the Hercules. Huh?
Not really.
Is he still on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Watch the other rods, Manny.
No
Watch the other rods too, bro.
A little diaper.
No, it's a keeper, I think.
No.
You sure? That's a keeper. You're tripping. Get him up quick before you get him off the hook.
Oh, yeah, he might be borderline.
I don't know. Measure him.
No. He's not a keeper.
Nah, he's like 16. Nah, I think about it. That Hercules though, bro. You couldn't even feel him on there, huh? Oh shit. Is he a keeper? He is, huh? Striper. That ain't no striper. That's probably a good striper then.
Talk about the best.
Hey, Manny. I'll put my handle here. Your left hand? There you go. Turn to the right side.
Listeners, here's a tip. Whenever you shop, start with Ibotta. It's the free app that gives you cash back at all your favorite stores and mobile shopping sites. Here's how it works. Just
Are you sure? It's a big striper then.
find cashback offers at
Oh, yeah.
like Walmart, a hotel.
Don't lose it. Yeah, baby. Let's go.
Like normal on your
Hell yeah.
store and watch
Atta
the
boy.
rewards
Good shit, dog.
go up when you purchase.
Hell yeah, man. Tacos tonight, baby.
And earn up to $20 in welcome bonuses.
Hey, Danny, Yamaha's calling you. Ignore it.
Answer.
All right. Hi, thank you for calling Round Table on the corner of Alamo and Merchant Street. Will this be for takeout or delivery?
Doggy.
Excuse me?
Hey.
He clicked. He clicked. He clicked.
Like, what the fuck?
Called Domino's or Round Table. Damn, I thought of that pretty quick.
That sounded pretty
That was
good.
a good one. That was a good
That
one.
sounded pretty legit, dude. Probably scratching his head right now. What the fuck?
He said, Polly? Click.
Excuse me?
That's how you know you got 88 years on fishing. Yeah, he put this right. It's fine. Oh, for sure. That might be the good one. Keep the tip a little lower though.
Oh, that's you're on this one. That's why. So he's a keeper. Oh, let's see.
Oh, that's easy fix. Just keep your tension on here. Cause your barbless. Keep the tension on it. Don't let it get slacked.
Oh, it's a leopard shark. Fuck him.
Oh,
God damn it.
fuck. Oh, false alarm, guys. I thought it was a big striper, bro. The way his rod was bending, it's just because you had his weight on there.
Well, they both were going on.
Yeah, so it was two. You had 2 weights plus the. Did you already get them off?
Yeah.
Good one, I think.
We'll see. Bring him in like a hoop. Bring him in like a hoop.
Dr. J brought him in. Stripe.
What do we got?
Shark. What is it, stripe?
Oh, striper.
Ooh, good one.
Oh, stripito.
Don't do it. Hang on, wait for Paul.
Oh, yeah, he's a keeper. This is a basketball right here.
Well,
all right.
well, Peter.
Another measurement.
Another
Yeah, look
keeper.
at the weight.
Another.
Hey, just let it go, bro. It's a ritual.
Okay, I told you that basketball would bring. They're playing basketball with all these rods.
Repeat.
Repeat. Well, that's.
Okay,
Well, Peter.
you're gonna make it, folks. Let's see. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Well, I don't know, folks. He looks like he's gonna be 18. Hey,
He might be like a little bit over, but.
let's see.
Oh yeah, he's over.
Let's see. Whoa.
Yeah, he's 18 and a
Just
half.
gotta smooth
What's
that
your
in
finger?
there.
I can't see what the measurement is.
Over fucking
He's over 18, but I don't see how
Put it in
big.
the box.
Yeah, he's 18.
Nah, I want to say
The more you
19.
fucking,
Yeah, I know.
the more we keep looking at it.
It's a shark, huh?
Shark. God
Fucking
damn it.
shark.
Sucker.